Graz, Austria's second-largest city, is a mesmerizing blend of history, culture, and modern innovation. Nestled along the Mur River in the southeastern part of the country, Graz boasts a rich history that dates back to Roman times, yet it remains a vibrant hub of contemporary life today. Over the centuries, it has evolved from a medieval fortress town into a dynamic city renowned for its well-preserved architecture, thriving art scene, and innovative educational institutions. One of the most striking features of Graz is its Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which exemplifies medieval European urban planning. Walking through its narrow cobblestone streets, visitors are transported back in time, surrounded by Renaissance and Baroque buildings, lively squares, and charming courtyards. The Hauptplatz, or Main Square, is at the heart of this historic district, bustling with cafes and markets, where locals and tourists mingle amid centuries-old facades. The clock tower, standing prominently on the Schlossberg Hill, is an iconic symbol of the city. Its distinctive clock face and panoramic views of Graz make it a must-visit landmark. Speaking of the Schlossberg, this hilltop fortress has played a crucial role in Graz's history. Originally constructed in the 12th century, it served as a defensive stronghold and a symbol of civic independence. Today, visitors can ascend via funicular or stairs to explore remnants of the medieval walls, enjoy scenic vistas, or relax in the grassy parks. The clock tower atop the hill offers a panoramic view of the city and beyond, making it a favorite spot for both locals and visitors alike. Graz's architectural landscape is a captivating mix of styles. Beyond its historic core, the city boasts modern architectural marvels, such as the Kunsthaus Graz, also known as the Friendly Alien. Designed by architects Peter Cook and Colin Fournier, this contemporary art museum resembles a floating blob of organic form, contrasting sharply with the traditional buildings around it. Its innovative design symbolizes Graz's commitment to embracing the future while respecting its past. Similarly, the Murensel, an artificial island in the Mur River, is another striking example of modern design. Created by artist Vito Aconci, it features a cafe, amphitheater, and a shell-like structure connecting the city center to the island, representing a bridge between tradition and innovation. Graz is also known for its vibrant arts and cultural scene. The city hosts numerous festivals, concerts, and exhibitions throughout the year. The Graz Opera and Schauspielhaus Theater showcase world-class performances, while galleries like the Künstlerhaus promote contemporary art. The annual Styrian Autumn Festival celebrates music, dance, and theater, drawing artists and audiences from around the world. Moreover, the city's dedication to the arts is reflected in its lively street art, open-air markets, and creative spaces that foster local talent. Education and innovation are central to Graz's identity. The city is home to Graz University of Technology, one of Austria's leading technical institutions, and the University of Graz, renowned for its research and academic excellence. These institutions attract students and scholars globally, contributing to a vibrant intellectual atmosphere. The presence of a young, educated population fuels startups and tech companies, making Graz a budding hub for innovation and entrepreneurship. Its commitment to sustainability and smart city initiatives also highlights its forward-thinking approach. Graz's culinary scene is equally diverse and inviting. traditional Styrian cuisine features hearty dishes like pumpkin seed oil salads, roasted meats, and fresh bread. The city's markets, such as the Kaiser Joseph Market, offer local produce, cheeses, and baked goods, showcasing regional flavors. Additionally, Graz's multicultural population has given rise to a variety of international restaurants, cafes, and food festivals, reflecting the city's openness and global outlook. The city's commitment to sustainability is evident in its extensive network of parks, bicycle paths, and eco-friendly initiatives. The Stadtpark provides residents and visitors a green oasis amidst urban life, perfect for relaxation and outdoor activities. Graz's public transportation system is efficient and eco-conscious, encouraging residents to reduce their carbon footprint. These efforts align with Austria's broader environmental goals, positioning Graz as a model of sustainable urban living. Graz's location offers strategic advantages for commerce and tourism. Its proximity to the Alps provides opportunities for winter sports and mountain adventures, while nearby wine regions contribute to Austria's renowned viticulture. The city's well-connected transportation infrastructure, including an international airport and high-speed rail links, facilitates easy travel and commerce. The city's diverse population and welcoming atmosphere foster a sense of community and inclusiveness. Multicultural neighborhoods, international festivals, and community events help create a city that is both historically rooted and globally connected. Graz's initiatives to promote social cohesion and cultural exchange make it a model for modern, inclusive urban development. In summary, Graz exemplifies a city that beautifully balances its historical heritage with contemporary innovation. From its medieval architecture and scenic hilltop fortress to its cutting-edge modern art and tech hubs, Graz offers a unique experience that appeals to history enthusiasts, art lovers, students, and entrepreneurs alike. Its commitment to sustainability, cultural vitality, and education positions it as a city that not only honors its past but also actively shapes its future. Visiting Graz is like stepping into a living museum that continues to evolve, inviting everyone to explore its many layers and stories. Whether wandering through its historic streets, enjoying its culinary delights, or engaging with its innovative community, Graz leaves a lasting impression as a city of timeless charm and forward-looking spirit.